In this video, we'll walk through how to set up email forwarding rules for Portalink Any Order. Once you've installed the application, you'll need to configure email forwarding rules in your email system. By creating the email forwarding rules, you're enabling the automated process of forwarding your customers' orders into the Portalink Any Order app. Before creating the forwarding rules, you'll need to locate the unique recipient email address that was automatically generated when you installed the app. To find this address, click on Admin, then select Get Started. Here, you'll see the email address where all customer orders should be forwarded. When creating the forwarding rules in your email system, you must configure them to send all customer order emails to this address. For more information in setting up the email forwarding rules, you can conduct a Google search for your specific email provider, like Outlook or Gmail. You may also consult your email provider's support team for further assistance.